Echo Chamber.
Hi girls, if you want to buy a nice gift for your boyfriend but don't know what to buy, watch this video. While the first things that come to mind when you think of gifts are nice options, perfume, clothing, watches, etc., you can also get gifts with an unusual and personal touch that can make your relationship more meaningful. Here are some gift ideas with an unusual and personal touch, details that will make your relationship more special, and suggestions that will help you create loving memories. You can create a personal storybook for your boyfriend. A special book with important memories from the beginning of your relationship can be a sentimental gift. You can immortalize this moment by having a star chart of your first date or an important day in your relationship. A personalized puzzle with your joint photo can be a fun and meaningful gift. You can prepare a special picture album with important moments of your relationship. You can write your memories under each photo in the album. You can gift an extraordinary experience. You can consider different experiences such as balloon flight, hot air balloon ride, stargazing. You can get something special for your boyfriend's hobbies or interests. For example, his own brewing kit, jewelry designed by a special jeweler, a special beauty product. Rather than classic jewelry, you might consider a specially designed piece of jewelry. For example, a bracelet or necklace with her name. You can register the name of a star with her name and get a special certificate with this information. Planting a tree or donating a sapling in her name can be an environmentally friendly and meaningful gift. You can prepare a special recipe book with her favorite recipes. You can create a personalized calendar of special moments in your relationship. By marking special days and important moments, you can add a special touch with photos of each month. Create a clue hunt to give her a special gift. You can place the clues in important places or memories in your relationship. You can have a special drawing made of a caricatured version of her and you. You can have a personalized puzzle map made with a map of your first date, your home, or another important place. Plan a surprise vacation in a city she doesn't know. This will be a surprise and an exciting experience. You can have a special perfume designed for her, creating a scent that is associated only with you. You can offer an interesting hobby experience, perhaps exploring an activity you've never tried together. You can create a Spotify playlist with music that represents your relationship or music that you identify with. You can gift him a special notebook with loving notes you have written to him. Hopefully, these original gift ideas will help you deepen your love for your boyfriend and your special memories. These gifts are not only of material value, but they also hint at strengthening your bond with each other. Remember, the most important thing is to think about his personality, interests, and emotional ties when choosing a gift. May your relationship be filled with many happy and special memories. Have a loving day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and click the like button.